What's the best way to keep track of my new leads? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new lead or opportunity in Odoo. Then we'll be taking the details of that lead and adding them to a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. All right, let's make a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor, and we'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new lead in Odoo to Google Sheets. And we're going to click inside of our trigger box and select Odoo as our app. And we're going to do the Odoo ERP self-hosted. And the event is going to be a new lead / opportunity. Click continue. I'm going to select which database I want this trigger to monitor. It's my Workload 2 database. I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to test the trigger. So we found a new lead. This is Brett Beatman, who works for Brett's Beats. And we're going to take his information and add to a spreadsheet. But I'm noticing the only place that it has the name of the company is tucked inside of this array here. And it also is the same part of the response includes the name. So I want to put the name of the company into my spreadsheet separately from the name of the contact. So I'm going to pull out this information and put it into a separate response. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to use one of my tools, the AI formatter by Workload. We're going to format data. For my input, I'm going to find that partner ID. And then I'm going to paste in this prompt. Pull out the 1. You can see here, the 1 is the part of this array that we want to pull out. So pull out the 1 from this array into a separate response and divide into company name and contact name. Test my action. And now we have Brett's Beats as the company name and Brett Beatman as the contact name. And those are outside of an array. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to add a step. And this is going to be in Google Sheets. And the event is going to be to create a spreadsheet row. We're going to select our new lead spreadsheet. It's going to be sheet 1. And then we're going to import the row data 1 column at a time. So for our column, it's contact's name. That can come from that first step or the second step. We'll just do it here from the first step. Find the contact name. Add to our second column. Email address. That's from the step 1. Add to. Okay, for our third column, we're going to do phone number. Okay, I'm realizing that this phone number format with the plus symbol is confusing to Google Sheets. So I'm going to have to reformat that phone number as well. I'm going to click on the plus sign between step 2 and step 3. Add step. This is also going to be our tools, the AI formatter by Workload. We're going to format the data. The input data is going to come from that step 1, and that's going to be the phone number. I'm going to type in this prompt, reformat phone number to be compatible with Google Sheets. I'm going to test this action. And now it took away the plus sign and the hyphens. So that's the format that Google Sheets wants. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to come back to the step 4, come down to the action step. And then for the data, I'm going to come to step 3 and click on that version of the phone number. Then we're going to keep on adding columns. Expected revenue, it's going to come from step 1. Add to. company. That's going to come from that step 2. Brett's Beats. Add to. Date created. And that's going to come from that step 1. Create date. So then I can click continue. We can test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So I can scroll down and click continue. Then I can look over at Google Sheets, and that information was just imported into my spreadsheet. So everything is working correctly. I can look, and there's a green dot in each of my nodes. So I can activate my workflow. And now every time I create a new lead or opportunity in Odoo, that data will be formatted correctly and then added to my spreadsheet in Google Sheets. That's how you can use Workload to automatically create a new spreadsheet row every time you have a new lead or opportunity in Odoo. Please join the Workload community and comment on this post with any questions or suggestions for new videos. You can also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.